There is something almost mythical about Florida. It is a place where the sun seems to shine with a purpose, where the air carries the faint scent of salt and citrus, and where every horizon feels like a promise. Known as the Sunshine State, Florida has long captured the imagination of travelers from every corner of the world. Whether you are drawn by the endless stretches of white sand beaches, the warm turquoise waters, or the vibrant culture that pulses through its cities, Florida delivers an experience that is genuinely unlike anything else. And when you pair that natural beauty with a superior ocean view accommodation, the entire journey transforms into something truly extraordinary. Florida boasts over 1,300 miles of coastline, making it one of the most beach-rich destinations in the entire United States. From the Gulf of Mexico's calm, crystal-clear waters on the west coast to the Atlantic Ocean's energetic waves on the east, the variety is staggering. The Gulf side offers beaches like Clearwater and Siesta Key, consistently ranked among the finest in the world, with powdery white sand so soft it practically squeaks beneath your feet. On the Atlantic side, destinations like Miami Beach, Daytona Beach, and the Space Coast offer a different kind of energy, vibrant, dynamic, and endlessly entertaining. Each stretch of coastline tells its own story, and every beach has its own personality waiting to be discovered. Choosing a superior beach accommodation in Florida is not simply about having a comfortable place to sleep. It is about elevating the entire experience. Superior rooms and suites are thoughtfully designed to complement the natural environment surrounding them. Spacious layouts, premium furnishings, and carefully curated amenities ensure that every moment spent indoors feels just as luxurious as the time spent outside. Many superior properties feature private balconies, resort-style pools, direct beach access, and world-class dining options. These are spaces designed for people who appreciate the finer details, where the quality of the linens, the softness of the lighting, and the attentiveness of the service all contribute to a sense of genuine relaxation and indulgence. There is a reason ocean view rooms are among the most sought-after accommodations in any coastal destination. Waking up to an unobstructed panorama of the Atlantic or the Gulf of Mexico is an experience that simply cannot be replicated. The way the morning light dances across the water, the rhythmic sound of waves rolling in, and the sight of the horizon stretching endlessly into the distance. These are the kinds of moments that stay with you long after the trip is over. An ocean view room in Florida means you are never truly away from the beauty that brought you there in the first place. Even on a quiet evening spent indoors, the view outside your window is a constant reminder of where you are and how fortunate you are to be there. One of Florida's greatest strengths as a destination is its year-round appeal. Unlike many beach destinations that are limited to a narrow summer window, Florida welcomes visitors in every season. Winter months bring mild, comfortable temperatures that make outdoor exploration a genuine pleasure, while spring and fall offer warm weather without the peak season crowds. Summer, of course, delivers the full tropical experience, long sunny days, warm ocean water, and a festive atmosphere that fills every beach town with energy and life. No matter when you choose to visit, Florida has something meaningful to offer, and the combination of superior accommodations with ocean views ensures that your stay is always defined by comfort and beauty. Florida is more than a destination. It is a feeling. It is the warmth of the sun on your skin as you walk along the shoreline at golden hour. It is the sound of laughter carried on a sea breeze, the taste of fresh seafood enjoyed with a view of the water, and the quiet satisfaction of watching a sunset paint the sky in shades of orange and pink. When you choose a superior ocean view experience in the Sunshine State, you are not just booking a room. You are investing in a collection of moments that will define your sense of what a perfect getaway truly looks like.